What is it? Thallium hydrates are extremely stable. Thallium hydrates are unstable, no? Gallium hydrates are unstable and volatile, correct. Alane means aluminum hydrate. Aluminum hydrate is a polymeric structure, correct. Boron hydrate exists in the form of large number of polymeric compounds. Yes, because it have two types now. What are they? BnHn plus 4 and BnHn plus 6, correct? So what should be the answer? This is wrong answer, right?
Option 1, sir.
Now come to question number 12, sir. What is question number 12? Moissan boron. What is Moissan boron?
Sir, amorphous boron.
Of high purity or less purity?
Low purity.
Less purity.
Less purity.
Less purity.
So amorphous boron of less purity, approximately 90 to 95% amorphous boron. If I
Sir,
want
90 to 95 we are considering as low purity, sir.
it will be having other, see, purity means don't consider only boron is present. They will talk about purity means there should not be any other impurities or any other gang particles, right? Then only we call it as pure boron.
Yes, sir.
Now, and it is in amorphous form. If you want to get crystalline form, what I have to do?
Sir, we need to react with aluminium, sir.
Either aluminium or hydrogen in presence of tungsten, silent electrical discharge, correct? Respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
B2O3 not only in presence of aluminium, in presence of hydrogen, tungsten, silent electrical discharge, then you will get boron plus H2. Right. Next, see this question number 14. Method by which boron not commonly extracted, in which case boron is not obtained. Oh, they gave this. This tungsten is given here. Correct? Huh? Option 3 is regarding that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Then here, is it possible or not?
Sir, possible, sir.
What about this one? Decomposition. At high temperatures, B2H6
Possible,
is
sir.
unstable. This one, possible. We are taking chloride. What about this one? Nickel. Cannot be replaced. Nickel cannot replace boron, na?
Yes, sir.
So, answer is option 4. Next, check question 17. Which of the following
Sir, option
does
three.
not exist in free form? Which one doesn't exist in free form, sir?
Sir, option 3, sir.
Why?
Sir, we have to
Exist is,
prepare that.
diboron na B2H6, right? And
Yes, sir.
that has to be extracted from boron halides. Correct or not? BX3 when allowed to react with either lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, correct? Or
Yes,
with
sir.
hydrogen, etc. On reduction of boron halides, you will get diboron. Next, what about question number 18? Bonds present in borosine are. What is borosine, sir?
Sir, B3N3H6, sir.
Correct. So B3N3H6. Correct?
Sir, inorganic benzene.
Inorganic benzene. Yes, yeah, please mute yourself. Right. So, do we find any pi bonds between boron and nitrogen? Either this side or that side, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
now tell me, how many pi bonds? 3.
3, sir.
How many sigma bonds? 12? 12 sigma bonds or not? Between N,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
total here 6 with hydrogen. So, answer must be option 1. Next. This part we have not yet done. This is also not done. This is also fourth group. This one, question number 6. Ionization of boric acid in aqueous medium gives which one of the following products?
Sir, option 1, sir.
First option, sir.
First option, huh?
Yes, sir.
Here I want to say one more thing. At high concentrations, if you take high concentrations, then boric acid, H3PO3, gives rise and form not only BOH 4 times minus, it can also form one more product, that is O, B, B, again oxygen, B, OH, OH, minus. There is possible to form this complex also. Right? Are you able to understand? This will convert into, this tries to convert into this form. Just a moment. I think observe this. What is it? B3O3 OH 4 times minus, correct? Polymeric metaborate. Boric acid at high concentrations, it can form polymeric metaborate. Correct, sir? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Borax reacts with how many moles of acid? HCl. 1 mole of borax reacts with how many moles of HCl?
Two moles,
Tell me.
sir.
2 moles. Why? Why, sir?
Sir, so that the two sodium will
That the
replace with
sodium will be
hydrogen.
replaced by 2 moles of
Hydrogen.
hydrogen. You will get H2B4O7. That will hydrolyze to form boric acid, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. And whether H3BO3 react with acid or BOH 4 times minus will react with acid. This is also old JEE
Sir,
mains question.
BOH,
This
minus
one or H3BO3. Among these two, which will react with acid? Among these two, which will react?
BOH4 minus.
This will react. This will not. Because this also in water, what should happen? It should convert into BOH 4 times minus and H plus, correct? And which is generating that
Yes,
H plus? Water is generating H plus. So
Here,
boric
H3BO3
acid
is
will not
less
give
acid.
H plus. Yes, correct. So answer must be option 1. What about question number 9, sir? This also we have done. Question number 9.
Option 4, sir.
Fourth option. Huh? First we will react with acid. With acid, what you will get first? Yes, sir.
Sir,
Boric acid.
So
Boric
can I
acid.
write this one as Na2B4O7 directly?
Yes, sir.
This on adding sulfuric acid, for example, H2SO4. Na2SO4 is gone.
Sir, it will remove.
Then you will get H2B4O7. This undergo hydrolysis. Then you will get boric acid. This boric acid, when I heat up to 140 degrees centigrade or 160 degrees centigrade, what I will get first? I
Sir,
told you to remember
HbO2.
this.
HbO2.
First you will get HbO2. Just a moment. That also you need to be here. 373 Kelvin means 100. Up to 100 degrees centigrade you will get HbO2. At 160 degrees centigrade you will get H2B4O7. If I heat more than that, you will get B2O3. Right? So up to 100 means 373 Kelvin. I will get H2B4O7 or HbO2. Respond.
Sir, HbO2, sir. First.
HbO2. This heated up to temperature, sir.
Sir, 413, sir.
413 Kelvin. Then I will get H2B4O7, which on further heating, higher temperatures, then you will convert into B2O3.
B2O3, sir.
That's what I will give directive here. Now this B2O3 with aluminum, what I will get?
Sir, crystalline boron, sir.
With magnesium or sodium or potassium.
Sir, amorphous boron. That is Moisian boron.
Here also you will get boron. With a hydrogen,
Sir, again crystalline boron will get, sir.
you will get high quality boron. Boron of high quality you will get. Now, reagents X and Y are respectively, right? Why you are seeing only option 4? Why you are not seeing option 1? Yes, Harshada? Option 1 is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So, option 1 is possible. Option 4 also possible. Correct? Huh?
Sir, if
It
they have
can't
specified
be-
something for boron means we need to change now, sir.
Yes. If they say anything about whether it is Moisen boron or crystalline boron, then accordingly I will select the option. So
Yes, sir.
here there are two answers, sir. Question number 9. Question option 1 as well as option 4. Both are possible. Next, leave this thing. Question number 11, sir. When we heat borax strongly, then it will yield the following compounds. What is that compound?
Sir,
Both
B2O3, sir.
Borax on heating strongly. What is this test, sir?
Both options.
Borax bead test. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you will get?
Both on
Glassy bead.
Both 1 and 2.
1 and 2, huh? So answer must be both 1 and 2. Borax bead test. If I add any transition metal salt or any metal with unpaired electrons in d orbitals,
Sir,
then
you will get color, sir.
Colors.
Colored beads, sir.
and you need to remember that colors. Of course, not now, but in class 12th you have it, right? If it is cobalt, what is the color?
Blue, sir.
Blue in all cases. If it is copper,
Sir, it can be brown
Brown,
or
sir.
green, sir.
because you will get in oxidizing flame, when hot you will get one color, when cold you will get another color. In reducing flame also you will get one color at hot condition, one color at cold condition. You need to remember that, right? Next one. Question number 12, sir. The correct structural representation of diborane.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3. Why you are not saying option 1? Can in any case can I write that diborane in this format?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, when reacting with NH3, sir.
Correct. When allowed to react with amines, having at least one hydrogen on nitrogen. Correct.
You will
If
get
there are,
unsymmetric.
if there is unsymmetrical cleavage, if there is no hydrogens on nitrogen, symmetrical cleavage,
Sir,
and you will
symmetric
get
cleavage, sir.
erect. You will get BH3 N 3 methyls over nitrogen. Correct? Huh? Right. Now come to question number 13. From B2H6, all the following can be prepared except in which cannot be prepared from B2H6.
Option 3, sir.
Why? Why, sir? Why? Option 3. In diborane, these are the two hydrogens, and these two hydrogens are bridged hydrogens, na?
Yes, sir.
If it is allowed to react with any alkyl halide, methyl iodide, for example, you can replace this hydrogen with methyl, this and this with methyl. But if you replace this hydrogen with methyl, how it exists as B2? It will break down as individual molecule, na? If I replace this hydrogen, if this is not there, bridged bond will be gone, na? Then what you will get? BCH3 thrice, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
If I don't remove them, then I will have B2,
Sir, B2,
H2, CH3 4 times. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Means this is not at all possible. Right. Next, question number 14, sir. What is hybridization of boron in diborane?
Option 3,
Sir,
sir.
sp3.
Perfect. Perfect. If it is existing as monomer BH3, if it is existing as monomer BH3,
Sir, sp2, sir.
sp2. So this I have not completed here. Boron nitride on reaction with steam gives. This part we have not done. Then whether 17 is done. 4 terminal, yes?
Option 3, sir.
3,
Yes, sir.
terminal BH bond angle is 120. What about bridged BH,
It is
HBH bond angle?
97, sir. 97.
Correct. So this is correct. Next. What about question number 18? Alpha, beta.
Beta is greater than
Beta
alpha.
greater than alpha, sir.
So beta greater than alpha. See, sir, if you read the theory properly, solving questions is easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 19. In which of the following hydrogen is not obtained? In which case hydrogen is not obtained?
Fourth option, sir.
Reason?
Sir, we will get B2O3 and H2O, sir.
You will get B2O3 and H2O. What about option 3, sir, then?
Will be obtained origin.
You will get or not?
Sir, yes, sir.
You will get hydrogen, huh? Because
So we
they
will
are
get
heating
boron
very
nitrate,
strongly.
sir.
Right? You will get BnX times boron nitride. Obviously, hydrogen gas is liberated. Now, in these two cases, you will get H2 gas or not? Because aluminum is. What is aluminum?
Amphoteric.
Amphoteric. Can react with acid as well as base. Now, if they ask you 1 mole of aluminum reacts with the HCl and NaOH, what is the mole ratio of H2 gas obtained?
1:1.
Sir, 1:1, sir.
1:1. Very, very important. Old JEE mains question that is. So here answer must be option 4. Now I think these are all group 14 questions. Here one question is there. Question number 38, sir. BCl3 reacts with mercury. Tell me, sir, what can be the product here? I can get boron plus Hg2Cl2. This is that white PPT. Okay, wow?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are asking, what is the maximum number of coplanar atoms in X? Coplanar means all atoms which exist in same plane. How many coplanar atoms exist in X?
Zero, sir.
Zero. Once check your target booklet. This we discussed. I think you will get 2B there. 1 minute. Boron halides. See this? What you got, sir? B2Cl4. Correct? Huh? You got Hg2Cl2, that is
Yes,
weight PPT. That boron is existing as B2Cl4. 1 minute. So you are getting not boron, you will get boron halide. That is B2Cl4. What is that B2Cl4? Boron, boron, chlorine, 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 one chlorine. Now it will form coordinate-covalent bond. Correct, sir? Response, sir. What type of bond
Yes,
this
sir.
is? Is it banana bond or not?
Three-center.
3-centered, 4-electron bond.
Two
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
It is not banana bond. Banana bond is 3-centered, 2-electron bond. Once check the answer for this question. What they gave?
4, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
How come we pay 4? It should be more than that, no? It should be 6. It should be 6 now. Because what is hybridization of this boron? sp3. Geometry must be tetrahedral. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tetrahedral means if I consider this boron, if this chlorine and this coordinate-covalent bond, if these two are on board, then this chlorine will be above the board and this chlorine will be below the board. Correct, sir? Same way here also. If this is coordinate-covalent bond, then this will be above and this will be below. No. How many are in same plane? Okay. Correct.
4, sir.
4 only.
4, sir.
This and this. One more thing, man. Observe these man. Whether they are in same plane or not. These 3 and these 3, whether they are in same plane or not, sir.
Sir, they will be above and below the plane, no, sir.
Correct, ma'am. I am assuming horizontal plane, sir. I am not assuming
Yes, sir.
vertical plane. I am assuming horizontal plane. If I assume horizontal plane, those 3 and these 3, 6 will be in same plane, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how come they gave 4? Why they have given 4? They should not give it as 4.
Sir, it is B2Cl4 only, no, sir. But
Oh,
there are 6
they
chlorine.
gave B2Cl4. Yes, ma'am. Understood. Not B2Cl6. B2Cl4 is this, no? This is B2Cl4. Now correct. Check, sir, whether it is B2Cl4 or not.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I consider this horizontal plane, how many? In horizontal plane, how many?
4, sir.
In vertical plane? Again 4.
Sir, again 4, sir.
So answer is 4 only. Because they are giving, I am talking about B2Cl6, but we have to get a compound that is B2Cl4 only. Right, correct one. That's why they have given this statement. Gaseous phase. Correct? Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Question number 39, sir. A very, very important question, sir, this one. B2H6, when allowed to react with methanol or ethyl alcohol, they gave ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, then it will react with ethyl alcohol to form BOC2H5 thrice, 2 moles, plus 3 moles of H2 gas. Right? This is ethoxy borates. Right? These vapors burn with green edge flame. They burn with green edge flame. Right? This is previous JEE mains question as well as advanced question here. 1 mole of B2H6 react with how many moles of ethyl alcohol? That is the question. And one more question is there. If 3 moles of B2H6 is there, then how many moles of OC2H5 is present per mole of compound obtained? If 3 moles of B2H6 react with ethyl alcohol, how many moles of ethoxy groups present per mole of compound obtained? Per mole of compound, it remains as fixed as 3 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what should be the product here? Whether the reaction got balanced or not? Check, sir. Balanced
Yes,
or
sir.
not
Balance.
balanced? Balanced,
Balance.
Hey, check man properly. Should be 6H2 now. Here 6 oxygen, 6 hydrogens. Here also 6 hydrogens, na?
Yes, sir.
So it must be 6H2. So number of moles of hydrogen gas produced must be 6. But what
18.
they are asking in the question, 1 mole of B2H6 or 3 moles of B2H6?
3 moles, sir.
Then how many moles of H2 should be liberated?
18. sir.
18, huh? Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Leave that one. Leave this one. Leave this one. Question number 44, sir. Question number 44. The number of 2-center 2-electron bonds and the 3-center 2-electron bonds are present in B2H6. How many?
4 and 2.
First option.
Perfect. Next. Question number 45. Diboron reacts independently with O2 and H2O to produce.
Option 3, sir.
With O2 you will get B2O3 and with water you will get H3BO3. Perfect. Next, question number 47. They said reaction of B3N3H3Cl3. right? B3, N3, H3, Cl3. This is a different question. Allowed to react with lithium borohydride, which is a good reducing agent. Lithium borohydride in presence of tetrahydrofuran as solvent, THF, tetrahydrofuran. This was tetrahydrofuran. This is the solvent. To give inorganic benzene, that is B3N3H6, means what we are doing. This will provide H minus ions. That H minus ions will replace Cl minus ions. Correct? Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this is a good reducing agent. Now, we got B3N3H6, inorganic benzene B. Further, the reaction of A with C, this A reacts with some C, use H3, N3, B3, Me thrice. Means what should be this, sir? So here what should happen? Here H minus is replacing Cl minus now. To form this one, CH3 minus should go and replace Cl minus. Correct, sir? Response.
Yes, sir.
Means which is provider of CH3 minus, sir? Organometallic compounds. See how they mixed the organic chemistry here. Do organometallic compounds are good sources of R minus or not? Best example, Grignard
Yes, sir.
reagent.
RMGX, sir.
Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent RMGX is good source of R minus. That R minus will go and replace. So what should be that Grignard reagent? Can write that Grignard reagent as CH3 Mg Br. Right?
Yes, sir.
Next, what they are saying? What are compound B and compound C? Compound B is
Second
origin
option, sir.
and compound C is Grignard reagent. So answer must be option 2. See how they merged organic with inorganic. Right. Now come to next question. I think, can we solve this 49?
Yes, sir. Option 4.
One is wrong, huh? Because what you will get here? Sodium borohydride and reaction with iodine. What you got? Boron nitride, na?
Yes, sir.
Now in diboron, each boron is in sp2 hybridized. Wrong. Borons are in sp3 hybridized, na?
Yes, sir.
Now here, diboron has one bridged 3-centered 2-electron bond. Wrong. You have 2. Diboron is a planar molecule. Is a planar molecule, huh?
Yes, sir.
Array, this is also wrong, man.
Wrong, sir.
That is also wrong. Because it exists in this way. You have hydrogen here, again hydrogen here, and bridged hydrogens, one will be above the plane and other will be below the plane. Now where is that planar molecule? I think to some extent option 1 is possible, because I may say that sodium borohydride with iodine, first you will get B2H6. That B2H6 only now should convert into boron nitride on reaction with ammonia. Response, sir. Answer should be A. Accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So only option A is correct. Remaining all are wrong only. Correct, huh? Response, sir. Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, this one is done or not? Question number 50. Colorless cupric metaborate. What is the formula of cupric metaborate, sir? Cupric means copper is in +2 state. Means can I write CuO? Right?
Yes,
Dot
sir.
B2O3 with glassy bit. Or I can write this as CuBO2 twice. Correct? Huh? Now, this
Yes,
is
sir.
reduced to cuprous metaborate in a luminous flame. This will be reduced to, they are saying copper should convert into, instead of +2, now copper should convert into +1. Cuprous metaborate. Cuprous metaborate is obtained by heating boric anhydride and copper sulfate in a non-luminous flame. What is this luminous and non-luminous flame? These two you need to understand. Luminous flame, non-luminous flame. What is the meaning of it, sir? Any of you? What is the difference between them? Listen, sir. You have seen lamp, no, sorry, candle, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
If you see that candle flame, right? Generally, what is the color of it, sir? Yellowish, orange, or sometimes red. Huh? Mostly it will be yellowish orange, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, have you observed what is the color here in this region?
Blackish blue.
Sir, it will be red.
Bluish
Slightly
green.
bluish in color, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Now, have you visited any hotels for buffet? When you visit that any parties or buffet parties or something like that, under that vessel also they will keep one flame, but that flame will not give light. There also they will keep candle only. Generally at our home, when you keep any object over that candle, what you will get here? Soot will form, black color coating will form. No? If you keep anything under that
Yes, sir.
candle at home. But what you have observed there means you will not find any smoke. There will be in buffet parties, whatever the candles they keep, they will also burn, but they will not create any smoke. Right? What is the difference between that and this means only unsaturation, number of pi bonds. Right? More the number of pi bonds, if number of pi bonds increases, I require more oxygen for combustion. Are you able to understand? If we have more pi bonds, I require more oxygen, means it will not combust properly. Right? So if this unsaturation was removed, degree of unsaturation was removed, then combustion properties will change. So that's why, observe this. If you are using candle for light or whether you are using that candle for producing heat, at buffet parties they want temperature, they don't want light. But at home, when power is gone, we require candle for producing light, right? So light producing candles are different from heat producing. Are you able to understand, sir? So
Sir, luminous means able to produce light on their own. That is all.
they have to give more light.
Okay.
Okay. So saturated candles versus unsaturated candle. Mhm. I will write as luminous candles versus non-luminous candles. Light due to what they are saying, sir? Right? Luminous candle refers to a candle that produces a visible bright yellow flame emitting light due to incomplete combustion. Non-luminous candle means when there is a complete combustion, instead of emitting light, it produces more heat. See this. Significantly less visible light and reaching a much higher temperatures than luminous flame. Clear? Understood, sir? Respond, man.
Yes, sir.
Right? Means if I make the compound, generally it is nothing but organic compounds only, na? Hydrocarbons only. That wax is also made up of. So I can make that candle luminous or non-luminous based upon whether I have saturated it properly or unsaturated. Right? Now coming to one more thing. In your laboratories you will see Bunsen burner, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see that Bunsen burner, it will be like this. If you observe, there is some hole here and you will find one ring here. Correct? Huh? Have you observed?
Yes, sir.
You will find one ring here and one flame here. And this is connected to that gas pipeline. Right? Now, what is the purpose of this ring? This ring is used, you will have screws here. You will have screws. Right? So if I rotate that that ring may close this, or if it is down, it will open it. So
Sir,
if it
that
is
air hole will change the amount of oxygen.
correct. So when I close it, there is no sufficient supply of oxygen. When there is no sufficient supply of oxygen, whether this flame is completely combusted or less combustion happened,
Sorry, incomplete combustion.
Incomplete combustion, sir.
then what happens to the light will be more or less.
More, sir.
Then I call it as a luminous flame. Correct? Are you able to understand? So
Yes, sir. According to the needs, we can change.
luminous flame means you will see that red color means yellowish orange flame, or that light red color flame. At home also, when almost that gas cylinder is about to complete, have you seen the flame color? It
Will be
turns,
brighter, sir.
it will be brighter and it will be slight yellowish orange. Means there is no sufficient supply of oxygen. There is no proper combustion. Right? When sufficient pressure is there, the sufficient supply of oxygen will be there, and accordingly combustion will occur. Right? So luminous flame, can I call it as reducing flame? Can I call it as reducing flame? Because of unburnt carbon. Some amount of carbon will be left unburnt. No? That's why you will get soot. If you keep something over that incomplete combusted flame, you will get that smoke or black color coating at the bottom. Right? Because of unburnt carbon. So we call it as reducing flame. Luminous flame is called, non-luminous flame is called oxidizing
Complete.
flame. It is called oxidizing flame. Luminous flame is called reducing flame. If you understand this, this concept is over. Clear, sir?
Sir, based on this, we are getting different colors on that boron.
Yes, in borax bead test also you are going to give different colors. Right? Now see this. I want to show one more idea, sir, because this is present in your NCRT lab manual also. The same person. That's why I want to show this. Qualitative analysis. See this one, sir, once. Read this one carefully. This is Bunsen burner flame, right? These are the zones present in that Bunsen burner flame. Upper zone is oxidizing flame, upper oxidizing flame. This middle zone, upper reducing zone. This position between both, this position is the hottest portion of flame. This is called lower oxidizing zone. This is called lower reducing zone. And here it is lower temperature zone. Right? Observe, sir. Where you will get more temperature in that flame means on the top you are getting higher temperatures, or exact in the middle portion you will get highest temperature, and here the temperature is low. Understood? Response, sir. Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come
Yes,
to
sir.
candle flame, sir. Observe candle flame, and this is Bunsen burner flame. Observe candle flame. Right? Outer zone, complete combustion means this part, which is not, you cannot see that part properly. So that is complete combustion zone. Slight, that is the hottest part. This yellowish orange or that red color zone, right? That is moderately hot. This zone is middle zone where combustion partly happened. And exactly above that wick, that is lowest hot. Right? Now, innermost zone, unburnt wax or vapors of that carbon. That's why when you put off flame, you can put off that flame with your fingers also. Right? It is not too hot. Here, in this zone. But if I try to keep from the top, I cannot put like this. Then I need to pass through hottest zone to reach it. But when I move from sideways, I will reach through less hot zone. So I can put off that candle with my fingers also, just like. Clear? Response, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to this one. This also let me show you. This also let me show you. Now, this is borax bead test. What they have taken copper on? Whether it is oxidizing flame. Oxidizing flame means luminous or non-luminous?
Sir, non-luminous, sir.
Non-luminous, right? Reducing flame is luminous. So what is the color? Green, blue, here colorless, reddish brown, right? Now observe here, sir. Copper oxide with B2O3, you got CuO plus B2O3 or CuBO2 twice. Here copper is in +2 state. If we are using reducing flame, unburnt carbon is there now? That unburnt carbon will reduce this higher metal oxides into lower metal oxides. I have not given that. Here I have not given. Right, better. I will show you from here. So borax bead test in reducing flame. See this reaction, sir. Are you able to understand? In reducing flame, what is present? Unburned carbon is present or not? I will take this one directly here. Let me maximize this also. See here. First, what you got? Copper metaborate, right? If it is luminous flame, unburnt carbon is there. That with sodium borate, what you are getting? CuBO2, borax and carbon monoxide. Correct? Say something, sir. What is the oxidation state of copper here? +1 or not? Right. Here copper is in +2 state means what is the oxidation state of copper here? +1 or not? So they are talking about this one. This is called cuprous metaborate. Right? Now this cuprous metaborate again undergone reduction. See? Then what you got? Copper metal. That copper metal is responsible for that reddish color, right? Or maybe brownish color.
Sir, they are
Often-
saying cold, no, sir. Why they are telling cold, sir? Hot and cold.
When you keep that in flame, temperature is high, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
at higher temperatures, this carbon monoxide is also responsible to give some color or not? Carbon monoxide color gives blue color or not?
Yes, sir.
Then, at a high temperature zones, is it possible to give the exact color of the bead?
No, sir.
Right? So you got bluish color, but that bead color must be colorless bead. Now, if you keep on decreasing temperature, then copper will settle down. When copper gets deposited, what is the color of that copper? Brownish color. That's why what you got? Red opaque bead. Clear? So at higher temperatures, color
Yes,
will
sir.
be different. On settling down, on decreasing the temperature, when there are no other gases evolving, then its color will be different. Right? So this is what they are talking about. Now tell me the answer for that question. Tell the answer for that question, sir. Colorless cupric metaborate is reduced to cuprous metaborate in a luminous flame. It is in luminous flame, correct or not? But this word
Yes, sir.
colorless is wrong, correct? The cupric metaborate color is blue, na? Blue or green? Blue at cold
Sir, blue.
conditions and green at hot condition, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that word colorless is wrong. So that's why statement 1 is wrong. Now come to statement 2. Cuprous metaborate is obtained by heating boric anhydride. Boric anhydride means B2O3. By heating this in copper and copper sulfate in a non-luminous flame. Non-luminous flame means reducing flame. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Sir, non-luminous means oxidizing, no, sir.
Sorry. Non-luminous means oxidizing flame. When
Then both
oxidizing
will be
flame
false,
means,
sir.
oxidizing flame means what I will get? I will get CuBO2 twice. Right. Means this is also wrong. So answer must be option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Next question, sir. Is it clear? Question number 50, sir. Which is the hottest part of Bunsen burner? Which is the hottest
Sir,
part?
in the
That
middle,
middle
sir.
part, right? If I consider this as the hottest total flame region, this part will be the hottest, right? Now leave this. Now come to next question, sir. Question number 51, sir.
Option 1, sir.
One now? Terminal BH bonds have less P character when compared to bridged bonds. Why?
Sir, I have ticked that option because all statements are wrong, so that statement alone correct.
It's okay. See here. Reason for that. What is this bond angle? 120, yeah?
Sir, 120.
Right. Now, what about this bond angle?
Sir, 97.
97, sir.
Right. Now, if it is sp hybridization, what should be the bond angle, sir? Geometry will be linear. Bond angle
Sir,
will be
180.
180
180.
degrees, sir.
If it is sp2 geometry, trigonal planar, bond angle
120,
must
sir.
be 120. Now observe, bond angle decreased. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what is percentage P, sir? Percentage
Increase,
P
sir.
is 50 here. Here
Increases.
percentage P is 33.33. So percentage P decreased or not? Correct? And
Sir,
percentage S?
2P means 66% was.
Okay, man. 60. Oh, you are saying this one. We are talking about P character, right? 1 minute. Not S character. So P character, na? So what about percentage P?
Increases, sir.
Percentage P increase. What about percentage S?
Decreases, sir.
Generally, we
Percentage
always
S.
talk about percentage S character, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
If
Electronegativity.
percentage S character increases, electronegativity increases, right? And bond angle decreases, correct? Or bond angle increases. Percentage S character increases means bond angle increases, correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here percentage P character increased, what about bond angle? Decreased.
Decreased, sir.
Now, in these two cases, where is bond angle high? Here?
Yes, sir.
Then what about P character?
It will be lower than the part which have 97-degree bond angle.
Then obviously option 1 must be correct or not. Check.
Yes, sir.
Over. Right? So this is based upon chemical bonding, hybridization concept or not?
Yes, sir.
That's how
Yes,
they
sir.
are interlinking different ideas with this. We know the bond angles, but they are asking question related to chemical bonding topic. Right? So let me write that here. As percentage S character increases, what happens to bond angle, sir?
Decrease, sir.
Hey.
Increases, sir.
Again I am saying
Yes,
SP percentage S 180, SP2 percentages is 33.33. Here term percentages is 50. Here bond angle is 120. So as percentage character increases, bond angle increases. What about the electronegativity? Increases. Right? Now what about percentage P? What happens, sir? If a percentage P increases,
Bond angle decreases.
Bond angle reduces, sir.
over. You need to understand this statement. Now, Harshada, understood the reason.
Yes, sir.
Now, come to question number 54. Same idea. Observe how differently they are asking in JEE mains or advanced. Concept you know already, but you need to interlink them to solve it. What about question number 54?
Option 3, sir.
Third option. B2H6
Yes,
is a Lewis acid. Why, sir? Why it is Lewis acid? Do it have empty orbital or not? Say something. Hey, one p orbital is empty, no?
Yes, sir.
No. Do all BH bonds are equivalent? No. 4 BH bonds are of one type or 2 bridged bonds. It has 3. There are 4 3-centered. No, only 2.
2, sir.
Synthesized from BF3 and sodium borohydride. B2.
True,
Arey,
sir.
this is also correct only, man.
Yes, sir.
Arey, how come? Oh, sorry. Understood now. They are asking something here, right? B2H6 is a planar molecule.
No, sir.
So answer must be C and P.
Third option.
Right. Good. Next, sir. Aqueous solutions of which of the following boron compounds will be strongly basic in nature? Which is more basic? Which is basic in nature, sir?
Option 2.
Why?
Option 2, sir.
Oh, they gave option 2, huh?
Sir, option 4, sir.
They gave
I-
option 4, sir.
I think so. Arey, these
Sir,
two
because
are...
they react with HCl to form H2B4O, sir.
Borax react with 2 moles of HCl or with 1 mole of H2SO4 to form H2B4O7 means this is reacting with acid means is it basic or not? Say something.
Yes, sir.
Now, sodium borohydride, lithium borohydride are basic or reducing agents?
Reducing agents.
Then they are reducing agents and they are good sources of H minus, no? Right? Now,
Yes, sir.
B2H6 already you know. What is B2H6? Acid. Lewis acid. So answer must be option 4. Next is question number 57.
Option 2. Option 2.
What you get? You get B2H6 here. That B2H6 here, observe this carefully, sir. What it is? NMe3. What you will get?
Sir, BH3.
BH3 dot NMe3. Correct? Or adduct you will get. Right? Symmetrical cleavage happens. Now, what they are asking? Geometry around boron in product B is. What is the geometry around boron in product B? Tetrahedral. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Correct? sp3 hybridized and geometry becomes tetrahedral. Respond. Right, sir. Just a few more questions
Yes,
left
sir.
from boron family. Better I will stop discussion. Right. So, coming class, next class, I will discuss directly group 14. We need to discuss one more topic. Compounds of aluminum also. Right. So, go for break for 5 minutes or take 10 minutes break. Complete your breakfast and come back. Right? I will continue the class. Right, sir?
So same links
Thank you,
are
sir.
the new links.
No. There is one more link present now.
Yes, sir.
Through that link you join.
Sir, no